Okay, let's have a look at this one then. We're going to solve between 0 and 360. I'll try and squeeze it in relatively small space. Cast, write the picture. Sign is negative. Sign is positive here and here. So it's negative there and there. So tick those two. Draw our two lines. Mark off alpha. The associated acute angle to the horizontal. And sine alpha and drop the negative 0.6. So alpha then is equal to shift sine 0.6. Shift sine 0.6. 37 degrees. So x is equal to then, let's read off the solutions. The first solution will be round to here. 180 plus 37 is 217 degrees. And then the next solution will be right around to here. 360 back 37 is 323 degrees. 360 back 37 is 323. Next one, so let's draw a picture. CAST. Cos is positive here and here, so mark those off. Draw two lines, mark the alpha, the associated acute angle to the horizontal, and write cos alpha and drop the negative. Shift cos 0.83 then. Oops. Shift cos 0.83. 33.9, which is 34 degrees. So x is equal to then in this case, start from 0 around to here, which is 34 degrees. And the next solution is right round to here, isn't it? So that's 360 back 34, 326 degrees. Good. Next one now. Tan x equals minus 2 then. Draw a circle. CAST. Tan is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. Draw two lines. Mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and simply write tan alpha and drop the negative. Shift tan 2 then. We're in degrees mode. Shift tan 2. 63 degrees. So we can read off the solutions. So there's the first solution from the picture. 180 back 63 is 117. And the next solution is right around to here. 360 back 63 is 297 degrees. Yeah, I think that's right. Back 63 is 297, yeah. In the book it says 296, so it's not slightly got that in error. Hopefully it's not a rounding error, and I'm okay. So here, next one, CAST. So now we need to move these things around, don't we? Because here, 3 sine x then. Move the 1 over, 2 minus 1 is 1, and that tells us that sine x, solving this equation, 3 from times the divider is a third. Sine is positive here and here then. Two lines, alpha, associated acute angle. Sine alpha is equal to a third then. Drop the negative if there is one to drop. So alpha is equal to shift sine of a third. Shift sine of 1 divided by 3. 19.47, so that's 19 degrees, isn't it? Almost halfway, which is slightly problematic when we do rounding, but hopefully we'll be okay. So the x then is round to here, 19 degrees. And then the next one is round to here, isn't it? And that's 180 back 19 is 161 degrees. Okay, good. Next one, move the 7 over, so 5 cosine x equals 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Okay, and then cos x, move this 5 from times to divide, minus 6 over 5, which equals minus 1.2. There's no solutions for that, because cosine only varies between, remember we drew the unit circle, and the height was, the maximum height cos could reach is 1. when we had that p rotate around the circle. Because cos and both sine go from 1 to -1. It don't get any bigger than that. So 1.2 is not a solution. So the notes say there's a solution, but there isn't. So there's no solutions for this one. Now tan 2x then, the next one, is 1. So here, draw a circle. Right cast. Tan is positive here and here. So draw 2 lines, mark off alpha, the associated acute angle to the horizontal. Now 2x, x goes from 0 to 360, doesn't it? So 2x will go from 0 to 720, just doubling everything. So you have to go around the circle twice. So first of all then, we've ticked off here and here. So we can now write tan alpha, drop the negative. So shift tan of 1 is 45 degrees if you tap it in the calculator. Shift tan 1 is 45, so there's our first solution. So the angle, which is 2x, is equal to 45 degrees. The next one is round to here. 180 plus 45 is 225 degrees. Then the next one, because we're going around twice, is round to here, which is 360 plus 45 is 405. And then the last one, we go round once, and then we go right around to 540 plus 45 is 585. So x, I'm going to round to the nearest degree. So the half will round up to 1. Oh, I'll do it to the half degree then, because it's right in the middle. 22.5, 112.5, 202.5, and this one is 292.5. Okay, and there's our solutions, and we can check them in the calculator if we need to. Next one, here we got sine 3x, so we have to go around the circle from 0 to 360, as x varies, so 3 of them will go around 3 times, won't it? So here we'll have 0 is less than equal to 3x is less than equal to 3 360s is 1080 degrees, 3 turns of the circle, because x was just going round 1 turn, and we're dealing with the angle 3x, so we have to go around 3 times. So right cast. Okay, sine is positive here and here. Draw our 2 lines, mark off alpha, the acute angle associated to the horizontal, and then write sine alpha equals 1. So alpha shift sine 1, which if you tap it in the calculator, we'll just do it. Shift sine 1, it's going to be 90 degrees. So these 2 lines go up to there. So the first solution then, and the angle in question is 3x. That's the angle, so 3x must equal then around to 90. And then the next one is round 180 back 90, which is 90 again. So those 2 lines coincide. And then the next one, go around, so those 2 lines coincide, so I'm not going to do it twice again. And the next one will be here, so I'll just do this 1 line now. 360 is 450, and that one will give 450 as well. And then we go round once, around twice, 720, plus 90 is 810. And we've gone around twice, and then the next time we come around is third time. We don't go around any further than that. So the solutions are these. We don't need that first one because it's repeated. All these were repeated twice because there were 2 lines and they coincided. So we got 3x is that. So that tells us what x is. Divide by 3. We get 30, 150, and that one, divide that by 3, you get 270 degrees. Tap it in if you need to check. Okay, that's that one done. Sine 3x is 1. Now cos 6x is 1 as well we've got here. believe it or not. I don't know if it's down the bottom at all. And I'll do that one after, so I'll write that one again in a moment. So cos 6x is 1. So this time now, instead of going from 0 to 360, 6 360s. So we've got to go around 6 times for this one, which is a bit of a pain. Very unusual to have to go around that much. 2160 degrees. So let's draw a circle. CAST. Now cosine is positive. Cos is positive here and here. So draw 2 lines. Mark off alpha. The associated acute angle and simply write cos alpha and drop the negative. Shift cos 1 is 0. So these 2 lines are both zeros, so this angle 0 is the same line as this line really. So it's just this one line here in our mind's eye now. So the first angle will be 0 degrees in the range. 6x, of course, is the angle in question. 0 degrees. Round one full turn is 360. Round another full turn is 720. Round another full turn, another 360 is 1080. And then another full turn, which is 4 360s. 4 times 360, 1440. And then a 5 full turns, 5 times 360, 1800. And the last one isn't included because it goes up to but doesn't touch 2160. So x will equal 0, then divide by 6, 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 180 that is. This one will be 240 if you divide it by 6, and the last one will be 300. And there's our solution set. Okay, last problem. Let's look at that. We just got just about enough room. 3 sine 2x plus 4 equals 2. So 3 sine 2x then. Move the 4 over. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Sine 2x will equal minus 2 thirds. And want to move the 3 from times to divide. 0 is less than or equal to x is 360. So this would be 720 is our range. Circle cast. Sine is negative. Sine is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. 2 lines. Alpha associated acute angle to the horizontal. And write sine alpha and drop the negative. So alpha is shift sine 2/3. Shift sine of 2 divided by 3. 41.8. So that's 42 degrees. Okay, to the nearest degree. So our value, which is our angle, 2x, is equal to, round to here, 180 plus 42, 222 degrees. Next one, round to here, which is 360 back 42, 318 degrees. And then we go round again, round 360, 540 plus 42 is 582. And then we go around to 720, 2 turns, back 42 is 678, I think, degrees. That's 720 back 42. So I'm going to put x up here. X is equal to 111 then, degrees. 160, 159 degrees, 291 degrees, and 339 degrees. There's our solution set.